Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll reveal essential strategies to keep your maintenance and reliability initiatives from falling flat. We'll explore how to kickstart, shape, and sustain your reliability journey effectively, and we'll delve into the importance of team dynamics, stakeholder engagement, and celebrating early wins. So, if you're experiencing frustration with your current operations, this video is for you. Do your maintenance and reliability initiatives feel like they're fizzling out like forgotten New Year's resolutions? Let's dive into how you can kickstart, develop, and maintain the momentum of your reliability journey effectively. Starting out can be overwhelming, especially when comparing your operations to those considered best in class. Remember, even top-tier companies started somewhere similar to where you are now. Initially, focus on a superior self-assessment of your current state. Identify what you do well and where you're struggling. This self-assessment will help you establish a baseline, a starting point from which you can map out your journey. Once you have a clear understanding of your starting point, it's crucial to develop a vision for the future. This vision will act as a roadmap for your team, helping everyone understand the direction and the goals of the initiative. Gather a small, cross-functional team to craft this vision. This team will form the core of your strategy team, which will grow and evolve as your journey progresses. Make sure the vision is clear and relatable to every team member's daily tasks, making it personal and impactful. Speaking of teams, who's going with you on this journey? It's important to involve people from various departments: maintenance, operations, engineering, and even manufacturing. The diversity of thought and experience each member brings to the table is invaluable. Whether you're optimizing preventive maintenance or conducting failure mode and effects analysis, having the right team members involved is crucial for success. Now, who needs to know you're embarking on this journey? Gaining the support of key stakeholders like plant managers and production supervisors is essential. They can facilitate resources and support that might be needed outside of your departmental budget. Keep these stakeholders informed throughout the process, updating them as your program progresses. Let's talk about taking those first steps. Choose an area of improvement that can be addressed quickly and without much bureaucracy. Something that can be implemented within 90 days without needing extensive approvals. This approach will help you score an early win, boosting morale and building momentum for further improvements. After celebrating your first success, what comes next? It's usually feasible to start working on multiple projects. Consider splitting your strategy team to tackle different projects. This not only keeps the strategic alignment, but also engages more team members in the change process, fostering a deeper understanding and commitment to the future state vision. But how do you keep the momentum going and avoid backtracking? It's like leaving your house for a trip and having to go back because you forgot your wallet. Such setbacks can kill your momentum. To sustain the improvements you've made, continue tracking the key metrics used during the improvement activities. Embed these improvements into your written processes and involve others in maintaining these gains. In conclusion, remember the key points to guide your journey. Know your starting point, clearly define where you're going, involve the right people, keep stakeholders informed, and ensure you have strategies to sustain your momentum. These steps will help you maintain focus and achieve continuous improvement in your maintenance and reliability initiatives. Thank you for watching. We've covered how to kickstart, shape, and sustain your reliability journey effectively, the importance of team dynamics, stakeholder engagement, and celebrating early wins. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To learn more about our tools and resources that can help you be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep striving for continuous improvement.